Welcome to our tutorial on understanding school registration in the Chandler Unified School District, or CUSD. Once your open enrollment application is approved, it's time to register your student for school. Whether you're registering at your home boundary school or a school approved for open enrollment, here are the documents you'll need. Household information, address and phone numbers. Parent or legal guardian contact details. Student demographic and health information, emergency contact names and numbers, proof of residency, such as a utility bill or lease agreement, state certified birth certificate, legal custody papers if applicable. For new families, start your registration at cusd80.com/enroll by clicking New Families Start Here. For existing families, log into the parent portal and follow the instructions for adding or re-enrolling a child. If you have any questions regarding open enrollment, registration, or transferring, please contact your school's front office. Their contact information is available on the CUSD website. Thank you for choosing Chandler Unified School District. We're excited to welcome your student.